guli wa kabinyo nga kuba kati goli bakulaba MC ngali articulate nange kye kimbonyabonya because byenkola ki binfaanana. Uncle Pallaso ali very kind, ali very loving, ali very leading. Bane bugalo ba Pallaso bakyali bae mwana mama ate kukamiri kwa introduction yetandike linda kumaliza Uncle Pallaso ngenda kwa difference ya mama yanje bane mwabakota kamera za mwabagala that bullshit of putting us up nga muganda wange tuli national treasure. Uncle Pallaso is very loving, he's very caring, he's very he's the weakest mayanja. Pallaso ngabachi nagaba tunalaga nencha. Okay, let me go to Weasel. Ali one abera on time. Your best time keep go to in the family affair. Ali very annoying. If you're annoying, if you keep your he's very annoying, but Weasel is also very giving. Big up Weasel Manizo, man. I love him, man. Katika ule Joseph Chameleone. Kanguli ule Amanyi. You want him to tell me about me? I am very daring. I am very courageous. But Mayanja, we are very talented. But it's that's what it is. Bagama nobody say not in a bad way. Your attitude. There is attitude and gratitude. Attitude is what you think you are. Gratitude is thanking the people. But the two other men have support is the music of our yeah. God's talking now. Okay. Katiguvu. Lwaji yachogera attitude in a gratitude. Katibambi ali ku gratitude, right? Where they talk about Chaliba and manage your family to the world. Kasadia kunyigira. Waru king of the mic. Twala tukire mu mbere ya king of the mic. But Uncle Pallaso kambiogele. Because we're so giving Pallaso ya sina bigamo vitufu. You're seriously like it's not television. This boy gave me a brand new Amuwade. I have 3 cars in my fleet right now. Manoja kuzania kwale kaita Amuwade. Umateka munyimba kuno munyoko butensiri. Pallaso just gave Uncle Cats a brand new car. Amuwade. Mugamba katichide mu bigambo mu Luganda. Masa we kisawo wangamba nkwesibeko kigenda wa what? Nayera lindako Chameleone fa twogeddeko tatuwadde mu kisago mwogerako. Wama naffe twagala tumugambe from our angle. Chameleone brother waffe muganda waffe wa kabina ntamegwa tukwagala. Yo, put on the mic. It's Johnny Double O. The devil is a liar. Yo. So big up my brother DJ Mercy. Big up everybody cast launch. Nemba dencha bagamba. Dr. Chameleone. Oli chali waffe. Oli muganda waffe. Oli mukwano gwaffe. Binji be tukuyigiddeko okugaba, tukuyigiddeko okuyimba, tukuyigiddeko okusonyiwa. Tukuyigiddeko okwagala, tukuyigiddeko okuwangula, tukuyigiddeko okulemezaamu. Njagala bagamba bakyali bange batudde wano mwana. Banji bajja ne babanyumiza stories. But for us we came from Kawempe, Munkere, Mukalule zone, from the deepest, darkest corners of the world. We used twawugiranga mu bidiba ebisembayo okuba ebicafu mu Uganda, but man, we were blessed different. Katonda yali atutuddemu yali wanjawulo naye nga blessed okuba nti yatuula mu Dr. Chameleone industry evudde walazi Uganda, and you've been a great pillar for King Saha, for Pallaso, for Chaga, for Weasel Manizo, for Red Banton, for radio, for so many more to mention. for AK-47, for the entire industry. I remember you used to produce your own songs, but I want to tell you as your brother, I am so happy for you. I can never thank God enough for sharing you as a brother. Era ngamba n'abantu bangi abaana abato ne mbagamba mwana waliwo omuntu nga tebalinamu banyumiza mwabatulabyeko n'abalabye ku Dr. Chameleone mu kyenyumiririzemu cause we are talking about the greatness of this generation, the beginning of so many things. So when we tell you yaman Chameleone olichali wange kulabye nga tuyitawo endowooza tetusobola kuyita n'oyitawo ffe bangi batujudging of who we are, but the place we came from didn't have any opportunities. We had to create our own. We had neighbors that told us we were nothing and we were bound to be nothing. We had people that told us we would never become anything in the world. We had people that told us we would die or would end up in prison. But guess what? We ended up in the stars. We traveled plane after plane, flight after flight, show after show. Yeah, man. And relax, my brother. We travel the world. Listen, unfortunately, we are from a nation that does not support us as great as it should support us sometimes, because they forget who we are. I've been to different countries and I've seen South Africans loving South Africans regardless of who else has come around as long as you're South African. I've seen Nigerians love Nigeria and they don't even care who you are. They just love you because you're Nigerian. Because I want to remind you all, we are Ugandan before we are even Africans. So all you guys need to wake up. This is our legend. Tumulabye obali atya teri genius kyekimufula genius. Genius is not normal and it takes a lot of energy to become Chameleone. Chameleone, I want to remind you, I am so proud of you. I love you so much. Gwanga moje Uganda tuve mwebyo. This is Uganda. We buy Uganda, we build Uganda. Butungulu tugolano naffe tuli emmere. Naffe tukola ebintu abantu baba tunozamu. Man, I could speak all night, but let me just end here and say, Chameleone, without you, I don't know where the Ugandan industry would have been. You are a great man. On February 10th, we all storm Lugogo Cricket Oval. One by one, we fill it up and represent for the greatest of our generation. Somebody say, oh,
and they're going to call them a student teacher. A student teacher, my goodness. Changa going to call us a Chameleone kujikiriza kwagala bakazi balungi bokka. Mulikalamo Dibambi Fonduli Kuvamo Ja kwagala nyewa denga wakomba. Thank you. Begavege bamotuli waliki Begavego yambale rugabire. I know mutima nasala. Come in a tune.